A week since the district attorney's office announced no charges would be filed in the death of Lisa Edwards.
The 60-year-old woman died while in police custody earlier this month after she was arrested and charged with trespassing at Fort Sanders Regional Medical Center. Well, WATE 6 on your side's Molly O'Brien sat down with the DA on why no charges were ultimately filed.
In this particular case, it just happened to come down to what does the autopsy say.
The autopsy conducted by the Knox County Regional Forensic Center revealing Lisa Edwards died from a stroke earlier this month.
From a medical perspective, I don't have any proof to be able to put on, and that's my job. In looking at a case, from a prosecution standpoint, we put together the proof. We present that to the jury.
According to the DA, the Forensic Center looked at all of the evidence, including that body cam footage, before determining the cause of death.
I asked him to look at the videos prior to making his determination, which he did, and he was still of the opinion that this was a natural cause death.
Allen said that homicide was the extent of charges the office would look to file. There were no lesser charges that fit the case.
Some people have talked about failure to render aid. In Tennessee, we do not have a statute that requires you to render aid unless you've been in an automobile accident with someone. So there really were no other criminal charges that were available.
As for the responsibility the hospital has in this situation, Allen said criminally, the hospital cannot be charged with anything.
You will really start to see the behavior on the part of the hospitals looked at in the civil lawsuit. And the civil lawsuit is different in that a civil lawsuit will be brought most likely by Miss Edwards' family.
Prior to the body cam footage being released to the public, Allen said she sat down with Edwards' family to watch it.
I kept them apprised of what was going on in the investigation, and they knew pretty much what this case was going to come down to from a legal standpoint, because we talked about that. So they were awaiting the autopsy results just as we were.
According to the DA, their part in this incident is complete.
Let me be clear that in no way do I condone the actions of the officers. I believe that what I saw on that video showed officers who displayed a gross lack of compassion, gross lack of empathy, and am in no way condoning the way that Lisa Edwards was treated.
We reached out to Fort Sanders Regional Medical Center. They declined to comment further. In Knoxville, Molly O'Brien, WATE 6 on your side.
Now, the officers involved in the incident have been on administrative leave since February 5th.
According to the Knoxville Police Department, an internal review of the case is underway. Now, KPD Chief Paul Noel said in a statement, "I was disturbed and embarrassed by what I saw in the video. My expectation is that our officers treat every person they encounter, regardless of the context or situation, with respect, dignity, and basic decency." KPD says the results of the investigation will be released soon.